Your first house doesn't have to be your forever house. I am focusing on first-time home buyers over the next few days where I will be showing you 4 to 5 houses that are under $300,000. I'm gonna show you how far your dollar can go in the North Fort Worth area. Let's start outside. All right, so here we go. Starting on the outside, of course, we have to do the neighborhood scan to see how your neighbors' houses look, to see what your experience would be driving through the neighborhood. This home is 1449 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it was built in 2016. Of course, we know it's in North Fort Worth and it feeds into the Northwest ISD. This home is listed for $294,998. So once you enter, on the left side is where the 2 bedrooms and full bath will be. There is no carpet in this house, so everything has wood-like floors. Nice closet spaces, pretty standard size for a secondary bedroom. And then you have a linen closet because I'm all about storage, and the bathroom. Now this bathroom will be the same bathroom that your guest uses. There is no half bathroom. And then here's the other bedroom. Now stepping back into the hallway, you do have a coat closet there. I'm all about the storage, like I mentioned. Now here is your living, kitchen, dining area. It's really, really well lit as far as natural light, and then there's that hallway again. One thing I do not want to forget to mention, because I mentioned in my other video, this house has tall ceilings, y'all. I cannot get over the tall ceilings. You do have a good sized pantry there, and an updated, I'll use the word updated very lightly because those countertops are actually laminate, even though they look really, really good. Here's your living area and another view of your dining and kitchen. Tall ceilings. I love tall ceilings. Here is the laundry room. It's another laundry room that has the walkway that leads to the garage. There is a little bit of additional storage there, but here's the garage. Now I won't be putting the address to this property in the captions. The prices and the availability of the home can change at any moment. If you are interested, like seriously interested in this home, definitely give me a call or text me. I'll put my information here. That's the best way to reach out to me regarding this home. If you just put info or more info needed in the comments, it may take me a few days to get back to you. However, if you're really, really interested, definitely contact me directly. On another note, if you're interested but your timing is pretty far out, like maybe you aren't planning on moving within several months, but you want to be up to date with homes that are available in your desired area, comment list now or DM me list now, and I will reach out to you directly, figure out your criteria, and then start sending you some homes that are available in your desired area. Now let's get back to this home. This is the master side, y'all. Again, this house has no carpet, so it's great for people with allergies or pets. It has a tub, double sink, and a stand-up shower. And there's the walk-in closet area. It's pretty good size. Now tell me, if you were in the North Fort Worth area looking for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and this was your first home, would this work out for you?